Since I started in the construction industry, I've always had a knack for details, getting into the details, understanding how things work, what owners' issues are, because the last thing you want to do is go fix a surface level issue and it doesn't address the root cause. So understanding both the past, what the issue is, what the cause is, those are things that I enjoy digging into and getting into the weeds on jobs that oftentimes contractors don't want to do. They don't want to put that thought in. They don't want to spend the time understanding how the building was built, understanding new repair techniques. But, for an owner, I feel like when they reach out to me, they're getting that digging and that getting into the weeds, and they know that, the response or the fix is going to be well thought out. How we're going to do the job is going to be well thought out. And they're going to understand that. And we're transparent. And that's something that I've always done. And I felt that's, why the repeat business comes in is you're transparent, you're honest, and you're getting into the details, but you're getting to a level that you can explain it in simplistic terms for maybe a board meeting or something like that. But unless you know the work, unless you know the history, unless you know the repairs, you can't do that. And that's something that I've benefited from. And I feel like the owners enjoy that, and they, look to me to provide that service.